Hi! So today we are doing some painting. So we're gonna Vali le. So we're gonna paint the rocks.
Wow.
So what colors do we have here? So we got this one, which is green, which is lanu mea mata. Yellow, which is lanu sama.
Red.
Black, which is lanu uli.
Red.
Which is lanu mumu. White, which is lanu pae.
Grey.
Brown,
Brown.
which is lanu ena. What's this one? Blue, which is lanu moana. Purple, which is lanu violet. So Vali means paint, and we're going to be painting our rock, which is a ma'a. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What color are you going to start with?
I know.
You pick. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Lanu mea mata. I'm going with lanu white. Pae.
Auntie,
Yeah?
look.
What is it?
Look.
Ooh.
It's my dad.
Yeah.
Auntie, it looks like Jello
Oh, wow.
in a cup.
Jello in a cup. I'm not sure. Shall we show everyone our rocks and then we can finish playing?
Yeah.
So my rock, my ma'a. How do you say rock in Samoan? Ma'a. So we got the lanu pae, lanu muru, lanu violet, and lanu mea mata with the lanu sama. Yeah? Okay. Show them your rocks.
My rock is green with yellow, and it's dark.
So you got lanu mea mata,
Oh.
lanu sama.
Got to green one.
What's your other ma'a? What colors are your other ma'a?
My mom's gonna say it's a wallaby.
Okay. Your other ma'a.
I don't want to do that.
You can just point to it. So what color is that one?
Yellow, blue, and green.
So lanu
Black.
sama, lanu moana, green is lanu mea mata, and black is lanu uli. What color is that one?
Purple and yellow.
Purple, which is lanu violet, and lanu sama.